Okay, guys, part 4 of the Road to Bills. And we have attack, 84 attack, 76 strength, and 74 defense. So last time we were training on the monkeys, I think. I think it was the monkeys. I'm pretty sure it was. And now we're just. What are we gonna do now? Oh, yeah. We are gonna get some more prayer pots. And we're gonna do the task. What's the task called? Here, I'll show you in a second. You get some prayer pots. And the task is called Serial Killer. Alright, so we need some money. You could just come on, stop. Stop spinning. Come on, please. Please stop spinning. Oh well, we got a crazy spinning. Oh, there we go. Alright, so that's good enough. We're gonna get a spade so we could do barrels. Trade shop assistant. How much are magic logs? Oh, they're 20k each. Bro. Dragon stones. And mana arrows. Yale's credit? What in the world? Samurai plate body. Oh, so you could just like sell crap that's here? Oh, I didn't know that. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, you guys might not know what I'm talking about, but whatever. It doesn't matter. So we got the spade. We're gonna go. Where is it? Where are we going? Let's go. Where is it? Damn it. Oh, it's over here. We're going to barrels. Alright, so where can we start off first? I like to start I guess we'll start here. I like to start so we could go clockwise all the way around. We'll drink that. Drink that. Drink that. Get a prayer ready for who it is. Premier League, hurry up. Alright, perfect. Alright, so now we just wait to kill him. See, they're not too hard. Plus with the double XP ring. It's pretty good. Oh, I forgot a dragon dagger. Well, I guess we don't need it. Ooh. So we're gonna do a little bit of task to get the money up. And don't worry about the red thing. The red thing means it doesn't mean you can't do them. It just means you haven't started them yet. So look, serial killer. Where is it? Right here. Once I kill him, it's gonna turn yellow. Look. If you could die already. Right now, see? Turn yellow. Turn my prayer off. So we have 5 more to kill. Do that. Drink some prayer. A hidden tunnel. Alright, so we know that the final guy is in this one in the corner over here. Because you don't go through the tunnel until the last guy. Oh snap, hurry, hurry, hurry. Oh magic. Hopefully I don't die. Oh perfect. Just in time. Because we don't want him doing extra magic damage. Take off our armor. These guys are not pretty hard. You just need 43 prayer and then you can basically kill them. Perfect. Now we got 2 kills already. Alright, so he's gonna do alright. So oh, I almost forgot to drink a prayer pot. That would have been bad. How many kills are we up already? I'm not sure. But whatever. Ugh. So I've seen some people with like other series like this, but when I click on it, oh look, this seems pretty good. Oh, he has some pretty good footage. But then, like, after I'm like, oh, I want to watch another episode of him. He only has 2 videos uploaded. I'm like, oh man. So I'm just gonna start making these videos. Hopefully you guys feel the same the way I felt like, and hopefully you guys think my videos are pretty good. I think they're pretty good. I think I'm getting, the more videos I do, I'm getting better at commentating than I was at first, because at first I was kind of nervous. I didn't know what to say, but I guess now I feel kind of like I talk too much. But whatever, I'm having fun, and I think when I'm having fun, you guys are having fun. Oh fuck, is he doing, what is he doing? Oh my god, I didn't eat! He's doing melee. I couldn't tell for a second. I almost died. One time, I used to play Grinderscape before I started recording, and one time I had a pretty expensive stuff, like full Vesta, and I just died because I wasn't paying attention. And I got so mad, I thought I lost all my stuff. I thought it was like RuneScape 07, like when you die, your stuff just automatically appears. And I died, and I got so scared I ran back as fast as I could. And then I was so happy because I got all my stuff back. It turns out I lost that stuff anyways because I staked it. I got clean. But whatever. We're starting fresh. Alright, come on. Just die already. Finally. Alright, how many kills we have so far? We have 4. 2 more kills, and then we get our things. Oh, he's a ranger. Oh, come on, come on. No. Oh, okay, perfect. I don't know what I'm hitting, but it looks pretty good. Oh, I'm done already? Wow. And the final guy is gonna be over here, I think. Where was he? Here? I'm asking you guys like you could tell me, but I'm pretty sure he was over here. Yeah. Yes. Yes, I am fearless. I'm a fearless warrior. So you go through here, and then you go here. Yeah. Fuck off, skeleton. Here we are. Okay, so he looks like a melee. So we're gonna play melee. And we're gonna attack him. Hopefully we can kill him fast. And what are I've done this before and you get like rack bolts. I don't know what that's for. I'm pretty sure that's for chaotic crossbows. But I'm not sure. Use lash. Come on. We get some pretty good hits actually. It's kind of scary when he gets low HP. Derox. Ooh, 20. Nice. We're 79. 79 strength, 85 attack. Alright, nice. Come on. Just die already. I think when you finally kill him, you need like 5 spaces left. Did you die? Oh, there we go. Serial killer completed. Let's see. Oh, we got a Derox Great Axe. That's nice. Alright, guys, let's see. 800. Damn. See. Boom. 4. You got 4 now. So I guess when we reach at least like 7, I'll just open them all. And then we'll go from there. I don't know what to do now. We can do what can we do? See, Brave Warrior, what is that? Kill it. Who's that? I'm pretty sure that's Bandos. That's the Bandos guy? I think so. So let's go. What are we doing? Drop this. Actually, I want to see like I want to see if you could sell this stuff like at that merchant guy. Can you like actually pick this stuff up and like sell it to him? Let me go check.